If you already own a Nintendo Switch 1 and are hearing about newer games designed for the Switch 2, it's natural to wonder whether your current console can run them. At first glance, it might seem like both systems should be compatible since they belong to the same family. But in reality, newer generations often come with upgraded hardware, performance improvements, and features that older systems simply don't support. This creates confusion, especially when some games look similar or share the same branding. The key is understanding how game compatibility works between generations and what limitations exist. Once you know the differences, it becomes much easier to tell whether a game will run on your Switch 1 or not. Try these. Step 1. Check the game's official compatibility or platform label. Step 2. Look for mentions of Switch 2 only on the game box or store page. Step 3. Understand that newer hardware features may be required for those games. Step 4. Compare system requirements between Switch 1 and Switch 2. Step 5. Try downloading only if the game is listed as compatible with your console. Step 6. If not supported, the game will not run on Switch 1.